Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Runa Aulia Sturesani and my student ID is 250145028. And then I'm gonna explain again about historical of English. Do you guys excited to hear it? So guys, the history of the English language is basically a story of mixing language over thousands of years. So it built a long story, very long story of it. So here are the major stages, or simple major stages of it. The first, we have Celtic periods. It before 43 Common Era. The earliest people in Britain were the Celts, and only a few Celtic words remain in English today, like Craig, Brook, Dun, and many places names such as London, Avon, and Thames. And the second, we have a Roman occupation. In 43 till 410 in Common Era, Romans brought Latin, but they didn't replace the Celtic language. Latin influenced places, names, and some early terms, but not deeply yet. The third era of it is Germanic settlement. It's around 400 or till 700 Common Era. There are three main tribes came from Northern Europe, like Angles, Saxons, and Jutes. Their language mixed into Old English or Anglo-Saxon. Old English is very different from modern English. And the fourth, we have a Viking invasion. It comes from Scandinavia and spoke Old Norse. Old Norse is added many everyday words like sky, egg, day, them, take, and give. And then the fifth part is Norman invasion. French-speaking Normans invaded England, and then it created a mixed language. English. We have some strata, or we have some stage of it, like English lower class, and then we have a French upper class or government, and it can be used in a law. Over 2,000 French words entered English. It's like government, court, beef, justice, fashion, and beauty. This period produced Middle English, the language of Chaucer. And then the sixth, we have Renaissance mixing. It's around 1,400 till 1,600. It made a big increase of Latin and Greek vocabulary, scientific and artistic growth, and the Shakespeare's English belongs here. And the seventh, Empire imports from 1,700 till present is a British colonial expansion word from Hindi is from pajamas bungalow, and the Arabic is coffee, algebra, and Malay we have orangutan, amok, and then the Chinese is tea. And today English continues to grow, influenced heavily by American English. the internet, and globalization. So there is a huge blend of language from Celtic-based, Germanic grammar, Norse mixing, French vocabulary, Latin or Greek science word, and the global borrowings. And then we have some of organ speech. Like the organ speech are the body parts we are used to produce sound. They work together to create vowels and consonants. We have so many type of it, like lungs, vocal folds or vocal cords, and then we have pharynx, oral cavity or mouth, and then we have nasal cavity and another. So a simple summary of it is air comes from the lungs and it comes in vocal folds. It can vibrate or not. Itu yang membedakan which one is vowel or consonant, and then the tongue or lips or palate shapes the sound like a, i, u, e, o. And then the sound exits through mouth or nose, like is it produce air from mouth or from nose, like that kind. So I think this is from me in syntax material in historical of English. Yes, so thank you very much guys and see you. Goodbye.